Welcome back, guys. As you can see, today we'll be making analog clock in Flutter, and we'll be using a special package for that, which is the analog clock package made specifically for making analog clocks. So let's just get started without wasting time. Here I'll just have my body. I'll make it a center widget. Then for my child, I'll then add the analog clock. Now in this analog clock, there are many things you can use, but first let's just save this, see how the analog clock will come up, and we can see a simple analog clock here. So there are many things we can add here. You can add the show ticks, show numbers, all these are true. Show all numbers, let's set it to true. And here we can see all numbers. All that things can be added here. Can change the color of the hour hand. Can change the color of all the hands, but I'll be changing color of the hour hand actually. Let's say colors the blue. So you can see this is the blue color. Other thing can we change here? Most of it is actually done for us. So if you just want to show a simple analog clock in your app, you can use this very good package called analog clock. You can see it's also showing a digital clock here. If you want to remove it, digital clock, can set it to false. No, like show digital clock. Let me see that. Show digital clock, can set it to false. We can also change the color. Let's just change the color first. Colors are red. So show digital clock to false, and here we can see the digital clock is gone. So if you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe to my channel. If you want any other video, something like this, you can comment it down in the comment section below. I'll surely check it, and I'll see you in the next lesson.